Hey, hi. So I tried to track my phone. Actually, I tried to track myself using this app called the Mobile Number Locator. I've been seeing it a lot on the ads, and it came to my mind, and I said, you know what? Let me try to test it out because in case maybe my friend loses his number, or maybe I'm trying to track uh, my cousin, my young cousin or brother, I can use it to track him. And I see it has a lot of users. So I install it on myself to track myself where I am so that I can see if I can find myself, if it's accurate. Okay. So I first read through the reviews. The reviews were almost all of them are bad. They are so bad that I almost actually quit using the app. But I decided I'm not going to give a final view because of these reviews. Okay, some of the reviews are good, like only that actually works sometimes, most accurate is possible, blah blah blah. But generally, it's like 90% are bad reviews, fake, something like that. So I decided, okay, let me really test it myself. I installed it and I tried to put now this app has a lot of ads, by the way, guys. So even if you really don't do anything, up to up. So I tried to track myself. I put my number. I didn't pay. I crossed the premium. Then I used the free version. Okay. I used the free version and then I put my number. What I got was more of the type of okay, the phone is in Uganda because I'm in Uganda. It's using Airtel, something that I can easily know because it's an Airtel number. Then maybe the distance I'm seeing 14,000 kilometers, and I'm sitting actually next to my phone. So definitely mobile number locator, actually, I don't think it will work for me because if I'm sitting with the same number that I'm trying to track, it doesn't have a VPN, nothing like it has a VPN or something which is maybe messing it up. It showed me 14,000 kilometers. Definitely, I think I won't be able to actually use this app actually. Yeah. I don't know about you, but if you really look into the comments of other people, um, I see really people who are pissed off actually. Okay. Maybe the first 5 stars are excellent, but need to locate the number we track, not our number or location. So even the first stars, you don't really see a lot about people saying like, yeah, it works. Someone gives a 5 star and is still complaining. So let me know what you think about mobile number locator. But in my case, I really failed to use it. It really didn't work for me. Let me know what you think about this app and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.